Most property owners don't realize that running an Airbnb is essentially the same as owning a hotel. And just as hotels require business insurance, so do vacation rentals.
When you're looking at it from an insurance perspective, you need to focus on the building itself, the contents inside of it, but then also focus on liability, which would be bodily injury that the owner could be liable for.
Proper insurance is radically different than homeowners insurance. We spend most of our time educating the customer on the coverages in the policy so that they understand what they're buying in their unique situation, that they have a business operating out of their home. Proper prides itself on having the most comprehensive policy in the marketplace. We are proud of the fact that we can handle somebody's insurance the same day, which is highly unusual in our business.
Don't fly under the radar when it comes to insurance. Get a quote today and never wonder if you're covered again. No, you are, with proper insurance.